Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Gear. Today we're checking out the top 10 best eco chainsaws for tackling everything from light pruning to heavy-duty felling. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, finding a reliable saw that starts every time is key. Now here's why it matters. I've tested these models for power, balance, and ease of maintenance. Expect lightweight designs, professional-grade engines, and vibration-reducing handles that make long cutting sessions far less tiring. And trust me, you'll want to see this. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Echo. The Echo is the perfect companion for professionals and creatives who demand precision and clarity in their daily workflow. Featuring cutting-edge voice recognition technology, it captures every command with remarkable accuracy, even in noisy environments. Made from lightweight, durable materials, the Echo is designed for portability without sacrificing build quality. Equipped with an intuitive interface and long-lasting battery, it ensures seamless operation throughout your busiest days. Its sleek, modern design fits comfortably in your hand or pocket, while the advanced audio output delivers crisp, natural sound for calls and recordings. Whether you are dictating notes, managing tasks, or staying connected on the go, the Echo combines functionality with style. Husqvarna 445S. The Husqvarna 445S is the perfect chainsaw for homeowners and landowners who need reliable power for demanding cutting tasks. Featuring a robust 50.2 cubic centimeters X-Torq engine, it delivers superior performance while reducing fuel consumption and emissions, making it both powerful and environmentally conscious. Equipped with low-vibe technology and an adjustable oil pump, this saw minimizes user fatigue and ensures optimal chain lubrication for longer bar and chain life. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handles provide exceptional control and comfort during extended use, whether you are felling trees or clearing storm damage. Made with a durable magnesium crankcase, the 445S offers lasting durability in a sleek, professional-grade package. Husqvarna 450S. The Husqvarna 450S is the perfect chainsaw for homeowners and landowners seeking powerful performance and reliable ease of use for demanding yard work. Featuring a robust 50.2 cubic centimeters X-Torq engine, it delivers superior cutting power while reducing fuel consumption and exhaust emissions for a cleaner operation. Equipped with a low-vibe system and an intuitive startup mechanism, this saw minimizes user fatigue and ensures effortless starting every time. Its Smart Start function and air purge system further simplify the process, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Made from durable, professional-grade components, the 450S offers a lightweight yet sturdy build that enhances maneuverability without sacrificing longevity. Husqvarna 38 cubic centimeters. The Husqvarna 38 cubic centimeters gas engine is perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking reliable, high-performance power for their outdoor equipment. Featuring a robust 38 cubic centimeters X-Torq engine, it delivers exceptional fuel efficiency and significantly reduces exhaust emissions, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Made with Husqvarna's renowned durability, this engine is designed for easy starting and consistent operation, ensuring you spend less time troubleshooting and more time working. Equipped with a heavy-duty air filter and a low-vibration design, it enhances user comfort while extending the engine's lifespan in demanding conditions. Its compact and lightweight build allows for effortless handling across various tasks, from clearing brush to powering trimmers. EGO Power Plus. The EGO Power Plus is perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking reliable, high-performance outdoor power equipment without the hassle of gas or cords. Featuring advanced 56-volt ARC lithium battery technology, this system delivers gas-like power and runtime with instant startup and zero maintenance. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, EGO Power Plus tools are built to withstand demanding jobs while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. Whether you need a powerful mower, string trimmer, or leaf blower, the versatile battery platform powers an expanding lineup of tools for seamless operation. Its quiet, emission-free performance makes it ideal for noise-sensitive neighborhoods and eco-conscious users. With superior torque, longer run times, and rapid charging capabilities, the EGO Power Plus system combines cutting-edge innovation with everyday convenience. PROYAMA. The PROYAMA is the perfect solution for professionals and creatives who demand both precision and reliability in their daily workflow. Featuring an advanced ergonomic design, this tool reduces strain during extended use, while its premium build ensures exceptional durability and consistent performance. Made from high-grade materials, the PROYAMA offers superior grip and control, allowing you to execute tasks with remarkable accuracy every time. Equipped with intuitive controls and a sleek, modern finish, it seamlessly integrates into any workspace without adding clutter or complexity. Its lightweight construction makes it highly portable, so you can take peak productivity wherever you go. Whether you are tackling complex projects or routine tasks, the PROYAMA combines functionality with style, making it an essential investment for anyone serious about achieving outstanding results. VEVOR 20-inch. The VEVOR 20-inch fan is perfect for anyone needing powerful, portable cooling in workshops, garages, or outdoor spaces. Featuring a high-velocity motor and a robust metal frame, this industrial-grade fan delivers exceptional airflow to keep you comfortable even in the most demanding environments. Made from durable materials, it is built to withstand heavy use while remaining stable and secure during operation. Its adjustable tilt and 3-speed settings allow you to customize the airflow direction and intensity for maximum comfort and efficiency. Whether you are tackling a home renovation or need ventilation for a large area, the VEVOR 20-inch fan combines rugged reliability with impressive performance. Its compact design ensures easy storage and transport, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand superior air circulation. VEVOR 2-Cycle. The VEVOR 2-Cycle engine is perfect for homeowners and professionals who demand reliable power for their outdoor equipment. Featuring a robust air-cooled design and a high-performance carburetor, it delivers exceptional torque and efficiency for demanding tasks like tilling, trimming, or pumping. Made from durable materials with a precision-engineered cylinder, this engine ensures long-lasting performance and easy starts every time. Its lightweight and compact build allows for effortless installation on various machines, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Whether you are maintaining a large garden or tackling a commercial job site, the VEVOR 2-Cycle provides the superior power and dependability you need. Equipped with a dependable ignition system, it offers consistent operation and simple maintenance, making it an essential upgrade for any gas-powered tool. Seesii. The Seesii product line is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision, power, and portability in their tools. Featuring advanced brushless motor technology, these tools deliver exceptional torque and extended runtime while remaining remarkably quiet and efficient. Made from high-grade materials, Seesii tools are built to withstand the rigors of daily use, offering superior durability without adding unnecessary weight. Equipped with intelligent battery management systems, they provide consistent performance and longer lifespan, ensuring you can complete any task with confidence. Their ergonomic designs fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended projects. Whether you are assembling furniture, performing automotive repairs, or tackling home renovations, Seesii combines reliability and innovation in a sleek, compact package, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Greenworks. The Greenworks product line is perfect for homeowners seeking eco-friendly and efficient outdoor power solutions without sacrificing performance. Featuring advanced brushless motor technology, these tools deliver superior torque and extended runtime while operating more quietly than traditional gas-powered alternatives. Made from durable, lightweight materials, Greenworks equipment is easy to maneuver and reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you are maintaining a small lawn or tackling a larger yard, their battery-powered systems provide instant startup and zero emissions, making them an ideal choice for environmentally conscious users. With a range of models designed for both casual gardeners and dedicated landscapers, Greenworks combines reliability, power, and sustainability in a sleek, user-friendly package that simplifies yard care.